Welcome to our channel, where we explore the innovative world of solar-powered food trucks. Today, we're diving into the essentials of solar panel maintenance and troubleshooting common issues to keep your eco-friendly kitchen running smoothly. Solar panels on food trucks not only reduce carbon footprint, but also cut down operational costs. But like any technology, they require proper maintenance. Let's start with the basics. Regular maintenance includes cleaning the panels, ensuring all connections are tight, and monitoring the energy output. Simple steps like these can significantly increase efficiency. Encountering issues, common problems include shading on panels, inverter malfunctions, and battery issues. We'll show you how to identify and fix these. Let's walk through each problem with easy-to-follow solutions. Remember, if the issue seems complex, it's best to consult a professional. To get the most out of your solar panels, consider their placement, potential upgrades, and adjustments for different seasons. That's it for today's guide on maintaining and troubleshooting your solar-powered food trucks. Panels. For more eco-friendly solutions and tips, don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow us. Stay green and efficient on the go.